So to take a look at a couple of great new updates, when doing any planning for your client, we heard from many of you that you'd like to sort through the results based on macronutrient profiles. You'll see for any results for any client up here, now 12 different choices based on macronutrient profiles from carbohydrates in particular, ranging from 5 to 60%. Any one of these profiles has a plus or minus based on carbs, proteins, or fats. Simply click through to find what you want. You can, of course, select any plan, and for those of you with the Pro Edition, go in and edit any particular makeup that you would like to be able to further influence those, but that filter will help you filter down to a great range right off the bat. The other thing we heard from a lot of you is that many of your clients like to get in and just use their meal plans electronically, either desktop or mobile. When they do that now, we've gotten a request that it was easy enough to follow simple ingredients lists for the days, but in times when they had a recipe, they wanted more details there. You can see now in this recipe icon when they open it, they have all of their ingredients and the instructions necessary to make that in any electronic view. We've also added the ability to add notes to any plan, so when building or editing a plan for a client, you'll see this section. Expand it, add any note you want. Hit save. And now when the clients log in on their side, and now when the clients log in on their side, they'll see your notes here anytime they look at their plan.